Welcome to the Bird Fanatic. Now, let's talk a little bit more about the history of the Bird Fanatic and how my love for waterfowl and poultry first started. The morning of my kindergarten orientation, in May of 2015, I met Peeper, the most adorable thing my four-year-old eyes ever landed on. And that's where my love for waterfowl and poultry first started. In 2018, we borrowed an incubator from friends and hatched out our first chicks ever. And then later that year, we hatched out ducks for the first time. Then sadly, in the summer of 2022, we lost our ducks and chickens almost completely due to raccoons and a fox. We were left with 5 chickens and a rooster for the entire winter. Now in spring of 2023, we hatched out 2 incubators full of chicks. We also bought my first group of 5 ruined ducks. In spring of 2024, a full incubator of ducklings hatched, as well as a few naturally with one of the broody ducks. In fall of 2024, I bought 2 Toulouse geese, Storm and her boyfriend, to serve as guard geese, as well as breeding stock. Now let's see where the Bird Fanatic goes from here.